Gold IRA allocation for different retirement phases. Gold is a time-tested asset for stability and security in retirement planning. Including gold in your retirement portfolio, specifically through a Gold IRA, can protect your wealth against inflation and economic uncertainty. Here's a streamlined guide on how to allocate gold effectively before and during retirement. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Pre-retirement phase, building stability, 40s to 50s. 1. Diversify with moderate allocation, 10 to 20%, include gold as 10 to 20% of your portfolio. This balance supports growth through equities while gold hedges against inflation and market downturns. 2. Leverage gold's stability during market volatility. Gold often performs inversely to stocks, offering stability during market fluctuations. 3. Use a mix of gold assets. Combine physical gold, bullion, coins, with gold-backed securities like ETFs for liquidity and diversification. 4. Focus on long-term growth. Gold's appreciation safeguards purchasing power, complementing riskier growth investments. Retirement phase, preserving wealth. 1. Increase allocation for stability, 20 to 30%. Adjust to 20 to 30% gold in your portfolio, reflecting lower risk tolerance and prioritizing stability. 2. Prioritize tangible gold. Shift toward physical gold, offering security against currency fluctuations and geopolitical risks. 3. Maintain a passive strategy. A steady gold allocation minimizes the need for active rebalancing, ensuring long-term resilience. 4. Ensure liquidity for emergencies. Retain gold-backed investments like ETFs for easy access to funds when needed. 5. Plan for RMDs, required minimum distributions. Strategize gold liquidation to meet mandatory withdrawals after age 73 without significant losses. Key tips for Gold IRA success. 1. Monitor economic trends. Gold performs well during inflationary periods. 2. Reassess annually. Adjust your allocation to align with financial goals. 3. Understand tax rules. Plan for taxes on distributions to enhance efficiency. 4. Consult experts. Seek advice from financial planners for tailored strategies. Gold's enduring value provides peace of mind for retirement, helping you build and preserve wealth. By allocating gold wisely, you can secure a confident and resilient financial future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.